Installing a new door in your Conway home may seem like a straightforward project, but it's surprisingly easy to get it wrong. Door installation mistakes can lead to energy loss, poor security, frustrating functionality, and even costly repairs down the road. Whether you're installing a front door, patio door, or interior door, understanding the most common pitfalls will help you avoid them and enjoy a smooth, professional-looking result. Below, we explore the key door installation mistakes Conway homeowners should steer clear of. Incorrect door measurements. The most frequent mistake made during door installation is inaccurate measurements. Even being off by a fraction of an inch can cause big problems, like drafts, misaligned locks, or a door that simply won't close. Avoid this by measuring the width, height, and depth of the door frame in multiple spots. Checking for plumb and level to account for any warping in older homes. Taking your measurements to a professional supplier to ensure you're getting the right size door. Skipping the inspection of the door frame. Before you install a new door, the existing frame must be carefully inspected. Frames can shift over time, especially in Conway's climate where humidity and temperature changes are frequent. If the frame is warped, rotted, or out of square, simply dropping in a new door won't solve the problem. It may even worsen it. Avoid this by examining the frame for cracks, rot, or insect damage. Using a level to ensure all sides are square and plumb. Replacing or repairing damaged frames before installing the new door. Poor shimming and anchoring shims are essential to keep the door square within the frame, and anchors hold everything in place. Many DIYers make the mistake of using too few shims or anchoring the door unevenly. This leads to misalignment, uneven gaps, and a door that doesn't latch properly. Avoid this by shimming both sides evenly from top to bottom. Securing the frame with screws through the shims, not just nails. Double-checking the door swings freely before final tightening. Not sealing and weatherproofing. In a place like Conway, where summer heat and seasonal storms can take a toll on your home's envelope, failing to properly seal and weatherproof your door is a costly mistake. Poor weather stripping and gaps allow drafts, water, insects, and noise to get inside. Avoid this by installing high-quality weather stripping around the door. Using spray foam insulation around the frame to fill gaps. Sealing the threshold with silicone caulk to prevent water intrusion. Ignoring the door swing direction. It may sound basic, but many homeowners forget to consider the swing direction of their new door. A wrong swing can block light switches, interfere with furniture, or violate building codes, especially on exterior doors. Avoid this by choosing between a left-hand or right-hand swing based on room layout. Considering traffic flow and usability. Checking local codes if the door is a fire exit or leads to a garage. Using the wrong hardware or fasteners. Using nails instead of screws, or choosing the wrong hinges and latches, can undermine the structural integrity of your installation. This mistake can cause sagging, door frame separation, or security issues. Avoid this by using heavy-duty screws for anchoring the frame. Installing hinges that match the door's weight and material. Upgrading to modern, high-security lock sets for exterior doors. Rushing the job. Trying to get the job done too quickly often results in careless errors, from missed steps to crooked installations. A door needs to be perfectly aligned and secured to function properly over time. Avoid this by setting aside enough time for the project, at least several hours. Following each step carefully, especially leveling and sealing. Having a second person to assist for better precision and safety. Final thoughts. Door installation may seem like a simple task, but small oversights can lead to major frustrations. For Conway homeowners, taking the time to measure correctly, inspect thoroughly, and install with care can make all the difference in performance and durability. When in doubt, don't hesitate to call a local professional. A properly installed door not only boosts your home's energy efficiency and security, it also adds lasting value and curb appeal. Avoid these common mistakes, and you'll be well on your way to a better, more beautiful home.